All right, everybody, this is Outdoors with Big Matt. Got some more work to do, but I figured I'd take the time to show everybody what I talk about when I'm saying my anvil sings. You hear that? That's music to my ears, especially whenever I start beating on some metal, especially if I'm frustrated. But everything's like super cold. First things right first, I just want to say, please, whatever you do, do not try some of the crazy things that we do on. I got the doors shut down. Me and my family, we are not trained. We are not responsible if something bites your finger off, or you cut it off, or you break a bone. Just putting that clause out there. And just so everybody knows, I'm attempting something a little bit different, new to me. I'm gonna make a keychain holder that just hooks right on your belt loop. I don't know if you can see that, but it'll hook right here on your belt loop, and it's got a little key ring on the bottom of it that's sealed to where you can put your keys on it and you won't lose them. That's the attempt anyway. So, all right, I'm gonna switch this over so I can turn my other music on and just get in rhythm and get moving. Please, if y'all are doing any of the things that I do in my videos, please be careful. I do not want nobody to get hurt, because if you end up chopping your finger off, sometimes they can't put it back on. Just saying. All right, everybody. Yeah. I don't think I quite got enough material, but you kind of got an idea. This part right here, there's going to be a bottle opener there, so I need to open it just a little bit. And I need to probably have a piece a good 2 inches longer than what this actually is in overall length. Maybe 3. Yeah, no, I'm gonna set this to the side, let it cool off all the way, and then start trying to break it down, the math of it. You know, it's just trial and error. Thought I'd try something new. Gonna continue to work on it, but not tonight. But I am going to be making some of my Texas icicles, so stay tuned. Coming up next. All right, everybody. I'm gonna go edit this, see how much I got. What you seen me working on the last, I've decided that I am going to attempt to make a snake just for looks to see what happens. See if I can do it. So, and yes, you can tell I am hot because you can see the steam coming off me. So, anyways, if this is the end of it, God bless, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.